What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy here, and I'm ocean bound. I'm heading to Nahant today. I think that my camera had a little mishap coming out of the tunnel. It says the file did not get repaired. Oh well, it's rainy, it's windy, there's some waves. I'm stoked. Today is day 3 of my skate sessions, and I'm pretty stoked to be on that skate in what should be a little bigger waves and a little more gnar. Man, I really am liking that skate, and I just figured today is gonna be one of those days that's just totally worth putting it through its paces. I'm meeting my friend Haley out there, and honestly, I don't know if anyone else is crazy enough to go out there. It's a southeast wind, which is pretty crappy for kiters. And so I think a lot of kiters will probably be hitting flat water at Pleasure Bay. I mean, it's supposed to ramp, and then it's just gonna drop dramatically. And I don't know when that drop's gonna happen. I was gonna wait and kind of like time it so I could like do the outgoing part of this like system, but I'm not really sure that's something that you can time that well, honestly. So I'm going early, and we're gonna be crossing our fingers, and I just hope to be riding some sick waves today. That's all I have to say. So let's flip this around and go see how gnar Nahant is right now. Here we go. Love this new Mahulu wetsuit. It is soft. Oh, it's squishy. Stretchable.
Definitely not blowing 50 knots.
No, dude, it's like...
I think that says 12. Oh, I don't know. I just looked at the model and it was 30 to fucking 50 degrees. I'm like,
yeah, but I don't think...
I don't know if it's like that.
I don't think it is.
And if it's like that over here, I'm not gonna drive. I can't drive down to the gate. By the time I get down there, it'll shut off.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be fine. Oh, yeah. No, it works. Yeah. It's actually good to note that the water's poopy right now. Keep your mouth closed. So, we got one kiter out. Haley went out. I have no idea where he went. He just disappeared into the waves. I'm pretty stoked. Looks like an easy way out. Knock on wood. All right. Haley's back out. He went out on the 4. I'm trying my open mix today. Oh, hello, gnar. Can't wait to skate. Skate sessions. Here we go. Here we go. Foil. I'm okay. I have like a Charlie horse. Woo. Okay, these waves are pretty big out here. They're like 7-8 footers for sure. The biggest wave is like weird knowing you basically. I mean, I'm cool with this thing's speed. That is sick. Woo! What a rush! Wow! Okay. I mean, holy shit, wow, uh-oh. toughness. Dude, I mean, like, this is big. Holy shit, that was sick. Yes, oh my god, dude. This thing's got awesome ride.
So smooth, fast, turns well.
I like it a lot. What's up? Oh my god. I still kind of have wing brain here, so I'm just trying to analyze, but like, just to capture some of the stoke, the waves were big. They were kind of bigger than I thought. Today they were like 6-7 foot predictions, but they were like 8 foot and maybe even 9 foot monsters out there if you were in the right spot. That was sick. It was better than I expected. So that was cool. Let's talk about the skate. The skate's freaking cool. So I have the extra small fuse on it. I'm trying to get the lingo right. That must be the fuse. So I have that fuse on it with the 180 stab. I feel like it's short, but it's not tweaky. Like the Armstrong one, when you go shorter and you get up to speed, one little wrong thing that you can do on your toes, like if you flinch your toe the wrong way, it can have drastic consequences, whereas this was smoother. Maybe that was the tail, maybe that was the skate, maybe the triple extra small just isn't as short as like a 50 is on an Armstrong. I don't know, but I could get up to speed really well, and it took speed really well. I did breach a lot, but I don't feel like it was because I was accelerating and it made me kind of nose up and breach. That was not the case. I was going fast out there. I gotta check to see how fast I was going. I'm gonna put the speed right here. Yeah, that's how fast I went. It felt freaking fast. These are the things that I want to say about the skate. The 850 seems to pop up on foil the same, if not maybe before my MA 1000. The carvings on it is great. The acceleration's great, and when you're at speed, it feels really freaking smooth. And yeah, just the way it handled at those speeds was really nice. Like, it was really nice. Like, I felt totally in control. I mean, I did breach a lot in some like kind of pivotal moments, but again, it didn't feel like it was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, like nose going up because I was going so fast. It felt in control. I think it was mostly me just being a little squirrely out there. And I'm stoked. Like, the skates are cool. There's nothing I don't like right now about the skates that I can tell. I'm so happy we went. I'm so happy we went early, and I'm happy I got to hit what we got to hit before basically the wind came crashing down into nothing. Everyone that was out there was just like, that was sweet. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you want to see some more of my videos and you haven't done so already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. I'm so stoked about the skate, so let me know if you've ridden a skate and what you think about it. And with that, I hope every single one of you guys are doing well out there. I'll see you guys soon on the flip, and I wish you all an awesome day. Later.